Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I did achieve my work friendly / my go-to look, so keep watching. So I did my brows off camera, as you can see, and I'm just applying my Mercier radiance primer all over my face, and I'll be blending this with my hands. Next, I'll be going into my MAC essential oil just because I have a dry skin, as you all know. Just gonna tap that into my skin to keep it all moisturized during the day. Next, I'll be going into my Fenty Beauty foundation because it's a lightweight foundation and I don't actually need a foundation that's too heavy because I'm going to work. So I mean, this is a work friendly look, so yeah. Just blending that with my Real Technique brush. As you can see, this brush does wonders, trust me. I'm just being very careful so I don't clean my brows. Next, I'm using my concealer from Colorpop. I'm applying that underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and all of the places we usually highlight. So next, I'm using my Colorpop concealer in Rich to contour my face. And I'm blending that with a beauty blender. I'm also using the brush from Colorpop to blend the contour areas. I'm using a smaller brush to blend my nose so it doesn't get all over my face. Next, I'll be using my Ben Nye Luxury Powder to set underneath my eyes and the area that I did highlight. I'm going into that same concealer. I'm applying it on my eyes. I'm just blending it out with a beauty blender, and I'm going to also set my eyes with my setting powder. Now I'm dusting all of that with a soft and fluffy powder brush. Yeah. Next, I'm going into my contour palette and I'm just setting the areas that I did contour with a contour brush. I'm also using a small brush to set my nose as well. Going into my brush from Tarte, I'm going to apply that on my cheek and just above my contoured area. I'm setting all of that with my MAC setting spray. Next, I'm going into my loose highlighter from Colorpop. I'm applying that on my cheekbones. Wow, I really love this highlighter. And guys, all the products will be listed down in the description box down below, so don't worry about it, just go check it out. And yeah, that's me. Wow, this highlighter be giving me so much life. I'm also using my finger to apply that on the bridge of my nose, and I'm going in with highlighter brush just to dust off the excess highlighter from my face. Apply that on my chin and my forehead also. I also did apply a little bit of the highlighter on my teardrop just to give me a little bit of a glow in my eye area. And I'm going in with my mascara from Face Shop, applying that on my lashes. I'm going into my Morphe 350 palette with that brown shade right there. I'm applying that underneath my eyes, my lower waterline, sorry to say. And I'm also blending it out with a blending brush. I'm applying some of that mascara on my bottom lashes to give me that Barbie look, kind of. For my lips, I'll be using my Tarte lip paint. And I'm just blending it out with a blending brush, a flat brush, sorry to say. I'm so sorry guys, my voice is really so bad. That's cause I have a cough, so I hope you don't mind. Next, I'm going in with that lip tint from Tarte. And I'm also using my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb just to give me that glow. And yeah, that's how it all came out. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. But I will remember when I met you in the summer.